In this video, we're going to go over a pretty well-known riddle, and I'm going to call it the water jug riddle, although this is certainly not any official name of it. And the premise of the riddle is, okay, you have this jug of water right here, and it's empty, and it's 5 gallons. It holds exactly 5 gallons. And this jug down here holds exactly 3 gallons. The question is, if you have a hose, right, with an unlimited supply of water coming from that hose, you can take as much as you want. How do you measure out exactly 4 gallons? What do you do? And one premise of the riddle is that the 4 gallons can go into a separate bucket or whatever you want. And we'll say that there's a bucket over here, and your goal is to fill this bucket with 4 gallons. How would we say that? The trick is, of course, that it has to be exactly 4 and it can't be even slightly off. So the question is, what do we do? And furthermore, are there more efficient ways to do it and less efficient ways to do it? And if so, what is the most efficient way? So in this video, I'm going to try and show you the most efficient way I know of getting exactly 4 gallons from these two jugs. And if you want to try it on your own, just pause the video and come back to it because spoiler alert, I'm about to go into how I solve it. So here's what I might do. What I might do first of all, in one approach, is to fill up the 5-gallon jug. And I fill it up all the way, and then I pour that into the 3-gallon jug. I fill this 3-gallon jug up with all the water that's in the 5-gallon jug. Well, what happens then? Well, that means that there'll be 2 gallons left in the 5-gallon jug, right? Because the other 3 gallons from it are in the 3-gallon jug. So first I would fill the 5-gallon jug. I would empty the 5, I'll call it, into the 3-gallon jug. And now I want to keep track of what's happening here. Now there's 2 gallons in the 5-gallon jug. And what can I do next? Well, next I'm going to pour those 2 gallons into the 3-gallon jug. So there's 2 gallons here, pour it into the 3-gallon jug. And I guess I should say, of course, first I would empty the 3-gallon jug. And then I would fill it with the 2 gallons that are left in the 5-gallon jug. So then I would pour what remains of 5, which is 2 gallons, into the 3-gallon jug. And now we're actually quite close. So now these 2 gallons have moved from the 5-gallon jug into the 3-gallon jug. And what do we do next? Well, what's very useful now is the 3-gallon jug is missing exactly 1 gallon. So if you think about 1 and 5 and 4, what we can do is fill up the 5-gallon jug all the way, right? Fill this jug up. And now I'm going to pour whatever I can into the 3-gallon jug. Why? Because right now it's filled up with 2 gallons. And what's left is 1 gallon of space. So if I fill up the 5-gallon jug and I pour it into the 3, it will fill up that 1 gallon, and the 5 gallons that were originally in the jug here will now only be 4. And I get exactly what I need to pour into the 4-gallon jug over here, or the bucket of water, I should say. If it was exactly 4 gallons, then this riddle would be easy, right? You just fill this barrel up. But now once I pour the 2 into 3, I'll write these steps down. Then I fill the 5, and then I empty 1 gallon from the 5 into the 3-gallon jug. So going back, fill up the 5-gallon jug, pour it into the 3-gallon jug, right? And there'll be 2 gallons left in the 5-gallon jug. Then I empty the 3-gallon jug and pour these 2 gallons down here into this 5-gallon jug. Okay, now there's 2 gallons resting in the 3-gallon jug. I refill up the 5-gallon jug all the way now. And I pour exactly 1 gallon into the 3-gallon jug, which is what's remaining, and the 4 gallons are remaining here in this jug, the larger one on the left. Now there's another way to solve it, but I think it takes more steps. So I like this solution. But I suggest you try other ways of getting 4 gallons and seeing, is this way the most efficient? Alright, hope you enjoyed.